Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Essential Fundamentals. Today we are going to talk about decision making. What is decision making? Decision making is the process to choose the best logical option from the available choices or alternatives. It is a thought process which helps one to land upon one choice. It is a very basic phenomenon among the living beings. Everybody comes across making a decision in their day-to-day life. So, people often say that they find it hard. So, how is decision making done? Let's see. Decision making can be done by either an intuitive or reasoning process, or the combination of both. Every decision making process results into a final choice, though it may or may not produce any action every time. Let's understand this with few examples. Here, he is Ross. He is buying a car. He has to choose among Model 1, Model 2, Model 3 and Model 4. Now, he can afford only one car, so he has to decide which one he wants to buy finally. Here, he might consider many factors to decide upon one of the model, which can be the price which suits his budget, mileage of the vehicle, power of the vehicle, or the color of the vehicle. He weighs in his mind about each of the above attributes of the car and decides for Model 2, as he finds it to be best suited to his needs. Now, in this process, he has used reasoning by comparing the facts and figures provided for the specification of the car models. In this example, the outcome of the decision making was buying the car by reasoning. Next, when Ross had to select the license number plate for his car, there he chose one of the number. The process didn't involve any of the facts and figures for analysis. He might have thought that the particular number would suit him. It was based on his intuition. So, this can be an example of the intuition-based decision making. But there are scenarios of decision making which doesn't lead to an action necessarily. For example, this is Andy. He likes to watch movies. Ross asks Andy which one is his favorite movie. Andy thinks about the movies which he has watched, and based on his liking, he chose one and answers Ross. So, here Andy makes a decision to choose his favorite movie, but it didn't lead to any further action. So, this was some basic information about decision making. I hope you liked the video and it helped you in understanding decision making. So in the next video we will talk more about the other aspects of decision making. Thank you. Bye bye.